Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that the wings are prepped, it's time to air fry them to crispy goodness. Plus, we'll talk about some delicious sauce options to take these wings to the next level. Let's get frying. Preparing your wings for the air fryer. Great wings start with great prep. Skip this step, and you risk steaming instead of crisping, or worse, bland bites that don't live up to their potential. A little extra effort here ensures every wing comes out golden, juicy, and packed with flavor. Drying the wings properly. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Wet wings steam in the air fryer, leaving you with rubbery skin instead of that satisfying crunch. Here's how to dry them right. Pat them down. Use paper towels to press firmly on each wing, absorbing surface moisture. Don't just dab, get aggressive. Air dry for bonus points. Leave them uncovered in the fridge for 30 minutes after patting. This step tightens the skin for extra crispiness. Check for ice crystals. If using frozen wings, thaw them first, then dry twice. Ice turns to steam and ruins texture. Think of it like preheating a skillet. You wouldn't toss food into a cold pan. Dry wings are your baseline for success. Seasoning ideas and tips. Seasoning should stick, not slide off. Dry skin grips spices better, so always season after drying. Want options? Here's a quick hit list. Classic salt, pepper, garlic powder, the holy trinity for a reason. Add paprika for a smoky touch or cayenne for heat. Bold dry rub barbecue, brown sugar, smoked paprika, onion powder, and a pinch of chili. Lemon pepper. Zesty lemon zest mixed with cracked black pepper. Buffalo dry rub. Cayenne, garlic powder, and a dash of vinegar powder. How to apply. Toss wings in a bowl with oil first, just a light coat, 1 tablespoon for 2 pounds. Sprinkle seasoning evenly, then toss again. Hands work better than shakers here. For layered flavor, season halfway through cooking too. Pro tip. Avoid wet sauces before air frying. They burn easily. Add those after cooking for stickier, caramelized results. Now your wings are ready for the basket. Next up, cooking time and temp, the final keys to perfection. Air frying chicken wings, step by step. Now that your wings are prepped and seasoned, it's time to cook them to crispy perfection. The air fryer does most of the work, but nailing the right temperature, timing, and technique ensures golden, juicy wings every time. Here's exactly how to do it. Preheating the air fryer. Preheating isn't just a suggestion, it's the secret to even cooking. Cold air fryers start with a temperature dip, which can make wings cook unevenly or stick to the basket. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it run for 3-5 minutes. No preheat function? Run it empty for 5 minutes at your target temp. Think of it like warming up a car in winter. Jumping straight in means a bumpy start. Preheating guarantees crispy skin from the first bite. Cooking time and temperature. For wings that crunch without drying out, stick to these settings. Temp, 375,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher heat equals crispier skin, but watch for burning. Time, 12-15 minutes for fresh wings, 15-18 for frozen, flip halfway. Air fryers vary, so adjust based on your model. Compact models, 3-5 quarts, cook in smaller batches to avoid crowding. Basket styles. Shake or flip wings at the 8-minute mark. Oven style with racks. Rotate trays for even browning. Pro tip. For extra crispy wings, spritz them with oil halfway through cooking. Checking for doneness. Perfect wings should be golden brown with an internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's how to tell they're ready. Visual cues. Skin should be crackly, not shiny or rubbery. Texture test. Bend a wing. If the joint moves easily, it's done. Thermometer check. Insert into the thickest part of a drumette, avoiding bone. Undercooked? Add 2-3 more minutes. Overcooked? Next time, lower the temp by 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, your wings are ready for saucing or serving. But first, let's talk about the finishing touches that take them from great to unforgettable. Serving and pairing suggestions. Your wings are crispy, golden, and ready to shine, but what you serve with them can turn a snack into a meal. The right sauces, sides, and drinks elevate every bite. Here's how to build the ultimate wing experience. Classic and creative sauces. Sauce is the soul of a great wing. Whether you stick to classics or experiment with bold flavors, texture and balance are key. Here's a lineup to try. Classic picks: buffalo. A mix of hot sauce, melted butter, and a splash of vinegar. Adjust the heat with cayenne or honey. Barbecue. Sweet, smoky, and sticky. Choose a store-bought bottle or simmer your own with ketchup, brown sugar, and spices. Ranch or blue cheese. Cool, creamy dips cut through spicy or rich wings. Homemade twist: garlic parmesan, melted butter, minced garlic, grated parmesan, and parsley. Toss wings while hot for a cheesy crust. Honey sriracha. Equal parts honey and sriracha with a squeeze of lime. Sweet, spicy, and tangy. Miso ginger. Whisk white miso paste, grated ginger, soy sauce, and a touch of sesame oil. Perfect side dishes. Wings need companions that balance heat, richness, and crunch. Keep sides simple but thoughtful. Crunchy veggies. Celery sticks, carrot batons, or cucumber slices add freshness. Dips. Ranch, blue cheese, or even a spicy yogurt sauce double as veggie toppings. Carbs. Fries, sweet potato wedges, or garlic bread soak up extra sauce. Light salads. A quick slaw or mixed greens with a sharp vinaigrette cuts the grease. Beverage pairings. The right drink cools the heat or complements smoky flavors. Match the intensity of your wings. Beer. A crisp lager or hoppy IPA balances spicy buffalo sauce. Soda. Ginger ale or citrusy lemonade resets your palate between bites. Cocktails. A margarita or michelada adds a fun twist for gatherings. Non-alcoholic. Iced tea or sparkling water with lime keeps things light. Mix and match to find your favorite combo. Your wings deserve the best supporting cast. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.